Christmas will never be the same.
Twerk the center, twerk the center, twerk the center, and his little elf crew. Twerk the center, twerk the center, twerk the center, and his reindeer too. Twerk the center, twerk the center, twerk the center. You know what to do. Twerk the center, twerk the center, twerk the center. Just twerk at the center.
Twerking is the Santa, gotta twerk it like this.
Hey y'all. What? Wait.
What is that?
Oh my gosh, sis. What? This all I could do. We Christmas. It's Christmas time. It's already halfway through December. You think I'm finna start working to the bone? I ain't got time for all that. Actually, let me do a little something.
Beautiful and classy.
Girl, that's the best I could do. Anyway, welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas. This episode, we are going to be going over all of the stuff that I want for Christmas. When did I stop writing letters to Santa Claus? Because I don't know if you noticed, but I'm still a baby.
A child.
I want to sit on a big burly man's lap and tell him what I want, and I want him to give it to me. See, when I was little, I was shy to ask for stuff because I knew my mom couldn't afford much. So when adults asked me what I wanted for Christmas, I always thought of like really useful, valuable things. So one time, I asked for a bed, like a new bed, because mine was breaking. Santa was like,
That's weird.
okay. But at my big age of 28, minus 20, I'm 8 years old. I have a list. 70 things that I want for Christmas. Let's get into it. Number 1, a Crumbs and Doilies baking book. These girls from the UK have a chokehold on me. Gemma, this woman right here, I can't stop watching her. She be cooking all kinds of stuff, baking up stuff. My house be hot. Every weekend, baking up pies and cookies and cake. It needs to stop, really, but I want more of it. I want the book, the baking book. Number 2, we have the Buy Right Making Design book set. Oh my God. I've been really into like coffee table books as of recent, especially ones with just really cute covers and things on the inside that I actually want to look at and read. This one is like a set. I think there might be different volumes because there's one that's red, orange, black.
It was so black.
And on the inside, it's just a bunch of really cool design. And this is, if you want to know what my Explorer page looks like on Instagram, this is it. There's also one called the Sass book. Girl, I don't know. It's all from this company, Buy Right. I'm obsessed. I want it. Number 3, the liquid pants and the liquid jacket. Oh my God, I want this immediately. Winter is running out, girl. Winter is running out. I need it now. I'm going to say like $2,000 for the jacket and for the pants, but I want to wear this and I would wear it every single day like it's my uniform. I swear I would. Number 4 is an Apple TV. Oh my God, what happened? Why did it turn off? This is ghetto. See, this is what I'm talking about. I want the Apple TV because the Roku TV be playing games.
I like to play a lot.
Now I gotta go back to YouTube and turn on the Christmas time. Oh, look who it is. It's me.
We have to sit out here and wait a long periodically.
I want an Apple TV for 2 reasons. 1, it looks cute. And 2, you can put on your AirPods and it connects to your TV and you can watch your TV with your AirPods on. Huh? Yeah, I want that. I think that's cool. Especially like late at night. I'd be afraid that I'm gonna like disturb my neighbors by watching Game of Thrones. Girl, Game of Thrones, White Lotus, Survivor, Amazing Race at 4 a.m. So definitely want an Apple TV. Number 5 is an Apple iPad, but guess what? She got it already. I don't even know which one this is, child. This is the iPad Air.
I don't know nothing about that lifestyle.
Is that what it's called? Put that on my list because I really wanted it and then I just got it because I needed it. I did. No, you didn't. I did need it. I needed to write notes. How am I supposed to make this video if I didn't have this to write the notes on? Duh. You could have used your phone. Next, I want a trip to Thailand. I want to go to Thailand so bad. I want to eat Thai food in Thailand. That's what I want. I want to be on like a boat, riding through some really beautiful rocky mountains. What I got to do. Number 6, I put a Remarkable. This is it's kind of like an iPad. I was debating between an iPad and a Remarkable. So a Remarkable is this notepad, but it's electronic. It's a little tablet. You write on it and it really feels like you're writing on paper. The functionality is just that. This is a notepad.
It's just simple.
It had too little functionality and I thought that this would be great for a few different reasons. Like I can quickly look things up, look at recipes while I'm cooking. I can take this with me traveling and watch like movies on the airplane, like editing on this, like with iMovie. And because it fits right into the Apple ecosystem that I already have. Like I have a phone, I can airdrop materials back and forth.
Like that. Ooh.
And the price difference between the Remarkable and the iPad was just like too small for me not to just get the iPad. Number 8 is a Rocket Book. This is not something I want anymore. I don't want it no more. If an iPad is here and a Remarkable is here, a Rocket Book is here in hell. Girl, it's a great invention, but oh my God. I'm about to take this flat screen off the wall. The Rocketbook though is really cheap and it's still like a really great invention. If you're like a student taking notes, you write on this reusable paper in this notebook, scan it into your phone through an app, and it sends it to the cloud into any folder that you want. So it's really nice for taking notes on the fly if you're like in school and college. That way you can easily share notes with your friends and all that stuff. I think that's cool. Just won't be getting it. Yeah. Number 9 is this ice cream maker from Ninja. I don't even be making ice cream.
I'm lactose intolerant.
Yeah, I fart when I drink milk. I fart when I eat butter. I fart when I eat. That's enough. But I want this thing so bad. Oh my God. I have a blender from Ninja and it is so great. You just press a button and it has so many different, it's kind of like a microwave where it has different modes. My blender can make soups. It can make smoothie bowls. It can make just a regular smoothie, milkshakes. I don't have to think about it or look at it. I just press the button and walk away.
Like that. Ooh.
And that's how this Ninja ice cream maker is, and I want it. Number 10 is one of those robots that sweep your house up. Girl, see, this is how far removed I am from having this. This is why it's on the list. I want a robot sweeper. A vacuum. I'm tired of sweeping every day. I'm tired of being Annie.com. I want something real silent that every day at like 5 p.m. vacuums my entire house. Is that too much to ask for? Number 11 is Paramore concert tickets. I don't want this. I need it. And I will get it by any means necessary. Yeah. And I do mean any means.
I'm robbing the style.
Y'all know Paramore's coming out with a whole new album and they are on tour right now. They're coming to Phoenix, I think in February or something like that. Oh my God. And I want to go with somebody. I've been talking to somebody online on one of the apps, know that they like Paramore and I love Paramore and they also want to see Paramore. So Santa, what to do? Santa, make it happen. This is why I don't leave the house. You say the coast is clear, but you won't catch me out. Oh, girl, I need it. Number 12 on the list is a travel bidet. Yes, the one from Tushy. I have one in my bathroom right there, and it's great and it's amazing. And I can't believe that I was using dry toilet paper for 27 years.
Ow, Joe! Ow!
I love my Tushy here, but when I travel, I'm always like so sad that I don't have my bidet to clean my. What? Don't be mad at me. You don't want walking around with dirty. Tushy sells a travel bidet, and I want that. Speaking of travel, number 13 is a Louis Vuitton duffel bag. Ever since I was a little girl, I wanted this. I saw it for the first time when I went into a Louis Vuitton store. These bags are just classic, timeless, and they hold up.
Wait a minute.
Whose baby is that? Girl, that's the St. Jude commercial. Anyway, this Louis bag is really cute. I want it. Number 14 is a trip to Marseille. Marseille, France, not Marseille, Martin. Who? I just want to eat like a cute little French dinner and then go hang out beside the beach on a warm sunny day in Marseille. That's all I want. Number 15, I want Renaissance tickets. Yeah, I don't need to say much about this. I want to be very close. I want Beyonce to sweat on me. If Beyonce flying that plane, I want first class. Number 16. I've been looking at this for so long. It's these paper lantern lamps. These lamps are so cute and adorable, and I want one. I need it.
Period.
They have different shapes and sizes, but I think I want one that's like kind of colorful. This is really cool, Japanese and artsy. Number 17, sunglasses. I saw one man when I was in New York City. He was wearing like the nicest pair of sunglasses I've ever seen in my entire life. They just looked so good on him. Wish I would have stopped him and said, what sunglasses are those? But we were in Hudson Yards and he looked like he just come out from building a company somewhere in one of them buildings. So I didn't even stop him, but I really want some plain classic sunglasses. I recently went to Nashville and I lost my sunglasses there.
No!
My $100 sunglasses. I'm sad. Number 18, Beyonce front row in Paris. That's what's on number 18. But I kind of already talked about that with the Renaissance tickets. But I do want to go to Paris to see Beyonce. I'll need to go to the Paris stop. But because I already talked about Renaissance tickets at number 15, I'll switch number 18 out for this portable mid-century modern fireplace. These are so cool, so chic, so cute, so cozy, a little Scandinavian, and I'm kind of into it. Next up, number 19, a Ring camera. Because somebody stole my package, you know who you are, I'm calling the cops.
I'm calling your probation officer.
Number 20, one of those really long, old-timey microphones that like people in the maybe 50s would use to sing while they were dressed in like a big heavy velvet ball gown for like New Year's. I need one of those. I need to walk around my apartment just using that and pretending to sing happy birthday to the president. There's a whole bunch of doubles on here. Number 21, I put travel bidet tushy. I already put that. So let's come up with a different thing. Number 21, I want Luke James. That's what I want.
That's a black king right there.
Number 22, I want this big old pot that costs a lot of money from West Elm. So I can actually put this big plant in that. Number 23, these little jars from Hey Design. I love this company. Everything on their website I'm obsessed with. I want these jars and these little canisters. Number 24, I want this yoga mat from Lululemon because I took my yoga mat downstairs. I got it from Amazon for like $25 to the gym and somebody stole it. So whoever that is, trust you will be dealt with. Period.
You will be dealt with. Period.
But it would be nice to have like a really nice yoga mat. Number 25, a really nice like medium to large sized kitchen scale. I bake a lot and I need to measure out flour and sugar.
That is how you do it. Looking fabulous.
One that I have is just so tiny that when I put a bowl on it to measure stuff in, you can't see the scale. So I need something just like a little bigger. Number 26, an electric toothbrush. I don't want to do manual no more. I want stick shift. No, that's extra manual, isn't it? I want automatic, electric, self-driving toothbrush that's sleek and cute that can sit on my bathroom countertop. Number 27, this is a big one. I want a house for my mom.
She can have whatever she wants.
I don't want her living where she is right now. If y'all saw where she was living, y'all would be like, what the heck? But it's what we got to do for right now. I have to think about so much before I purchase a house. Even for myself, that purchasing a house for my mom is also very difficult. I wish I just had like $500,000 in the bank so I can just put a down payment on whatever house and I can get my mom up out of there.
Because that's my mama.
28 is these Bose frame audio glasses. I got to try these out at Best Buy. I thought they were so cool and I would love to just have them as a gadget. Like go expect your gadget. Who? Feel like something that Kim Possible would have. I want to be like Kim Possible. Number 29, free haircuts for life. Because why am I paying $60 every time I go to the... I remember when I used to pay $8 for a haircut. $8. Why is it $60 all of a sudden?
Too much.
When did y'all start changing your prices? I feel like Instagram happened and the girls started sharing prices or something. I even came across a YouTube video when I was shaving my own head, like during the pandemic, of somebody being like, how to raise your prices, how to raise your prices 200%. Enough. Number 30 is these VR goggles from Vive, I think is how you pronounce it. I just think this would be so much fun because you can watch TV shows in like full immersive experiences. Imagine being in Survivor. Like in it. I want to be running an amazing race with the girls. VR goggles, I think, are the future and I want to experience that. And I haven't tried VR goggles ever, but these from Vive seem really cool and I'm down. Number 31 is a plant. I have enough plants, honestly, but I do want a really large, beautiful, luscious ficus Audrey. I have an Audrey over here. It's like a little tiny and it's not going to grow any more than what it's going to grow, or rather what it already is. I want one that is just a whole tree that I can put back here that's like really tall. Number 32, I've wanted this since I was a little child, a telescope. And this is, I think, from going to all of the science centers on field trips when I was younger and seeing telescopes in there in the gift shop. I want to look at the stuff, like what's going on up there. I want to see the stars in detail and I want to take it on camping trips. I've been wanting to do that for so long. I need to get to it.
What? No!
33, I want this Coda outdoor pizza oven and couple it with like a weekend camping trip with my friends. I feel like nobody wants to camp. Come on, girl, get out the house. I want all my friends to visit me in Arizona. Then we drive up to Sedona. We camp in the woods. We make pizzas. We don't have our phones on. We're just like hanging out and laughing like the olden days. I don't want to go to the hookah bar. Number 34 is this pyramid desk from Hey. The desk is super sleek. It's minimal. And I'm planning on renovating my office very soon. And so this I think would be a great addition. It's just really expensive. 35, I want a little canister for matches. I just have my matches in a little matchbox. Oh, they're right here actually. Like this. And it's not that cute.
You is ugly.
I saw one at CB2. I want one that's like cute, you know?
And that's a wrap on Vlogmas Day 14. Thank you for hanging out with me on this video. This was just 35 things that I wanted. I want for Christmas, girl. And then tomorrow you'll get the other 35. Because 70 divided by 35 is 30. What? It's 2. There we go. Yeah, you thought I was about to mess that math up. I'm sure that's right. The video's already edited. It's already finished. But this, even just like watching it from me, I was like 70 in one video. That's a little too much. So tomorrow you'll get the other half. I gotta go wash this hair. What if I made these antlers just... Aww. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up. If you want to stick around, be my friend, be my homie, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me everywhere on the internet. Just don't follow me in real life.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, I'm sorry. I'm not usually that violent. I'm gonna link as many of these items down below for you as well. But I hope to see you back here real soon for another episode of Will on a Whim Vlogmas. Until then, bye.